Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. A smoky eye can look gorgeous and glamorous without looking too intense. So I have created this red smoky eye look, and without further delay, let's dive into the video. I'll first prime my eyelids with the NYX Eyeshadow Primer Base. This will create a smooth and clean base for the eyeshadows. I'll also lightly set the primer with some loose powder. I'll take the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. It has the perfect shades for every kind of smoky eye look. I'll start with the shade Trance and apply it all over my eyelids. Next, I'll take the shade OG and apply it right on the crease and blend the two shades with a fluffy blending brush. Then I'll take the shade Explode and apply it right below the crease and blend it in circular motion. This will ensure all the eyeshadows come together and create a soft transition. Next, I'll take the shade Red Alert and pack the eyeshadow right below the crease. I'll take a clean brush and soften the edges and diffuse all the eyeshadows towards the brow bone. With the shader brush, I'll apply the red eyeshadow to intensify it and diffuse the edges. Now comes the tricky part. I'll take the Inglot AMC gel liner and with a pencil brush, I'll apply it very close to my lash line. You have to ensure that you have to apply the gel liner below the crease line, or else it will make the eyes look like panda eyes. I am using gel liner because it will create a base for the smoky eye. Black eyeshadow alone will not give the intense smoky eye look. I'll set the gel liner with the black eyeshadow smoked out from the palette. Next, I'll soften the edges with a small blending brush. I'll take the red eyeshadow again and place it just above the gel liner and buff it out. Next, I'll mix the shade Red Alert and Smoked Out and apply it below my waterline. I'll take a small blending brush and apply the red shade and buff out the edges. There is a little fallout from the eyeshadows, so I'll take some micellar water in a Q-tip bud and clean my under eye area. Then I'll apply some concealer with a dense concealer brush and set the under eye with some loose powder. Next, I'll again take the Inglot AMC gel liner. With an eyeliner brush, I'll create a thick wing liner and draw the inner corner V for a cat eye look. I'll also apply the gel liner in my waterline and buff out the edges with an angled brush and some red eyeshadow to intensify it. I'll apply some highlighter in the inner corner and my brow bone to bring out the look. Then I'll curl my lashes and apply some mascara and add some false lashes to finish the look. I'll dab the smallest amount of shimmer eyeshadow in my eyelids. And here is the final look. It is a quick and easy look with just one eyeshadow palette. All the products used is mentioned in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time.